3.
Hey guys, this is Siebert family.
Woof de woof. We got the cheese.
Okay, we got the
pepperoni.
We got the ingredients right here.
We got
So what is we
sauce.
making today?
We're gonna show you.
Pizza.
We're making pizza. Not our first time really. And we got some what is it?
Crazy bread.
Crazy bread. These go with the crazy bread. And
Come
the
on,
rest of
let's
this
start.
goes with this.
So y'all putting y'all sauce in the middle and spreading it around?
That's why y'all should cut it.
This gooey stuff all on y'all pizza. Ugh.
Come on, start stirring it
You might as well
around.
just do ketchup on it.
Oh wow, Daddy.
And our dad is behind the camera.
Secret
No,
ingredient.
we need to add the secret ingredient last.
And in the comments,
It's not
y'all-
no secret.
Wait, comment down below what y'all think the secret ingredients is.
Comment down below
Alright, let me see
if
that.
y'all want us to do
Oh
a
my
prank or
gosh.
something.
No.
Comment down below
No.
what y'all want us to
It's
do
dripping.
next.
What is that? Stop! Don't eat the.
It's gonna be
pepperoni.
the pepperoni under the cheese.
All right.
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Stop eating pepperoni.
So y'all making one side deep dish.
They just gave Mama Peep.
We putting some under it.
Some pepperonis
top.
under it on top, but not the cheese under it.
Our
and on
brother
top.
is opening it. How many times I'm gonna tell
It's
you?
gonna be
Stop
both.
opening stuff. You just a guest. Dang. I'm
Guess-
sorry. You can
The
open
guest
it.
supposed to help us.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, there we go.
Okay, there we go. No.
Let me get some in my hand.
Stop. That's enough.
I'm gonna tell you when to stop.
We're not really good.
Now we got this
We
cheese.
got all the cheese on there.
We add some more
We made a
pepperoni
big
on top.
Mess.
We made a mess, but yeah, we're gonna clean it
It'll
up.
be worth it.
Y'all gonna have to spread them pepperonis out.
Yes. Yeah,
Oh.
give me some so I can.
Oh. I'm just slapping them down. I don't care about no odor.
Oh, right where I want. Croquet.
It's better than a para.
No, it's not. The bottom is way better. Some. I think it's some.
The secret ingredient. What
It's
is it?
some like little
Don't do
pieces.
that. What?
What y'all think the secret ingredient is?
It's, yeah.
And the secret ingredient was
Is
a donut.
psych.
It's like, nah.
Yay! The actual secret ingredients is bacon.
You like how it looks?
Okay, guys, it's the end of the video. We want y'all to support us by subscribing, liking the video, and hitting that little bell.
And part 2,
And we're gonna be making part 2 with the crazy bread.
and the pizza gonna be done.
What?
Show everybody how it turned out.
Yay! Okay.